Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit self-summary on your OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. In order to edit your self-summary on your OkCupid account, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. You can see this pencil icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Here you can edit your details of your profile. Scroll down and here you can see my self-summary section. You can edit your self-summary by tapping on this edit option. You can simply tap on it and make your necessary changes. Once you are done, you can tap on the save button at the bottom. That's it. That's how you can easily edit your self-summary section in your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.